Hi guys, this is Joska here with Lavish Locs Hair Company, and today we are going to be, or I'm going to be showing you how I remove the glue from an old wig. It's very simple. It's not hard. This wig I kept on for I think like a week and a half, and I use Ghost Bond adhesive glue for lace wigs. I don't really use solvents because they have a lot of oils in them. I would rather use alcohol or astringent. So keep watching, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on your post notifications, and make sure you're following us on all social media platforms at Lavish Locs Hair, and you can shop with us 24/7 at lavishlocshair.com. So stay tuned, be right back. Right, this is a wig that I had on last week. So this part is tape, and this right here is glue. So I'm gonna show you how I remove it. Now you might have your own way of doing it, but this is how I remove it. First thing I do is once I take it off, I always wear gloves because I hate for the glue to get in my hand, is I start doing like this pushing motion of kind of seeing what can I move naturally before I put any type of chemical. And how I removed it from my head was this one already lifting? Oh, I removed it with a little astringent. So I'm just going to keep just pushing this like that, rubbing it against. So now like most of it, as you can see, I've pushed it off the lace. So I'm just gonna rubbing it. So most of it is already gone and it's off the lace, but you will have some residue. That's pretty easy, guys. Look at that. And the tape should just roll right up. So as of now, as you can see, most of the glue is up and it's off of the lace, but we're gonna still go and clean it a little bit more. So and then just far as pressure, I wasn't like pulling it. I was just taking my thumb and just kind of rolling it up, and whatever, it's a light pressure, whatever rolled up, I just let it roll. I'm not pulling and tugging at the lace because that's how you can rip your lace. Literally, I just, like if you were gonna snap, that's what you can do. Snap, right? And I'm just loosening it up so that it's easier for me to get that off. And I don't really like to use a lot of solvents because a lot of the solvents have oil in it. And then especially if you're going to reapply this wig, sometimes they leave a residue and you have to wash it over and over and over again. But on to the next step. Okay, so we're here at the little sink so we can wash her. So like I said before, we've already pushed and rolled whatever's gonna come up. So now we have to get it out the hair. My suggestion is not to pull it because if you can see when you pull, you pull out the baby hair. So you don't wanna do that. So we're not gonna do that, but we are going to continue to rub. This wig, I literally just took it off my head, like, and that was it. I'm not a good wig person. I think because I know I changed my wig so much that I don't even bother to like, I don't know, maintain it properly. But anyways, we're gonna go. I digress. So you're gonna need a towel. And yes, I said towel. I said it very country, sorry. Any type, it doesn't matter. This towel is wet. It can be wet or dry. I actually prefer for them to be wet or damp, should I say. You're going to need your alcohol, 70%, and a comb, okay? So you're gonna take your alcohol, a little dollop will do ya. You're gonna take your unit, and you're going to just push it away, whatever's left over. But you pretty much have removed all of it, so I'm just gonna keep pushing it away. Okay guys, so I just changed the position so you can get a closer look of exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just continuing to use the alcohol and the towel and push away any extra residue of glue and to kind of push it off of the lace very gently. So don't use too firm of a pressure because you could rip the lace and that is no bueno. So just one little stubborn spot, but most likely I can get that out with just a little shampoo and conditioner. So then after that, after we have removed everything, just lightly kind of detangle around the hairline because sometimes the hair can be a little tangly, but the glue is just sitting on top of the hair. And then the next step is you just want to shampoo your wig like normal. The shampoo and conditioner that I'm using is I forgot. Matrix. Yes, Matrix shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just washing my wig like normal, concentrating on the hairline and then taking the rest down to the hair. And by the time you do this, there should be no more glue left over in that wig. It should be completely clean and glue free. And then that's pretty much it. So you guys enjoy. Hopefully that helps you guys. And let me know if you have anything else that you want to see. So I'm just checking the lace and checking the lace. And this process in normal time normally takes me about 15 minutes, like meaning to remove the glue and then shampoo and condition the wig. And just another tip, guys, always wash your wig on lukewarm water. Don't, use hot smoking water. It's not good for the lace, nor is it good for the hair.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So that concludes our video for this week. Hopefully you found it very helpful. I do get that question a lot. Like when I take this off, how do I clean the lace so that I can reapply it? So that's the method. It works for me. The glue that I used was Ghost Bond Platinum or Ghost Bond XL. I'll put it down below in the description. Like I said before in the intro, the reason that I don't use the solvent necessarily, especially if I'm going to reapply, is a lot of solvents have oils in them, and so sometimes they get stuck in the lace and then you have to like wash it several times. So I find the alcohol to be very good. Now, do I use solvents? Yes. If someone tells me they have very sensitive skin and like alcohol might irritate them, I will use a solvent. Most of the time I don't use the Ghost Bond solvent because it tingles. A lot of people complain that it tingles, and I will use the Bold Hold solvent. But that's how I remove the glue from your wig when it's time to take off your wig. So that's how I do it. So guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on your post notification. And remember, we drop a new video every single Wednesday at 7:15. Guys, remember to follow us on all social media platforms at Lavish Locs Hair. You can shop with us 24/7 at lavishlocshair.com. And then, forgot, Twitter is Lavish Locs 1. No, Lavish Locs. Yeah, it's Lavish Locs 1. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you once again for joining me. If there's any videos or any questions that you might have, please drop them in the comments below, or you can email us at info@lavishlocshair or @lavishlocshair@gmail. Pretty much anything Lavish Locs, I'm gonna get it. Okay, anyways, so you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. I will see y'all next week, and bye.